Stuck on the dreaded unable to connect to world screen in Minecraft? Let's get you back into the game. First, the simplest fix is the server you're trying to join actually online. If it's a friend's server, just ask them. For public servers, check their official website or social media for announcements about downtime or maintenance. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end at all. Next, let's talk about your internet connection. A quick router and modem restart can resolve many temporary network glitches. Unplug both for about 30 seconds, plug the modem back in, wait for it to fully boot up, and then plug in your router. Wait for everything to settle before trying to connect to Minecraft again. Your computer's firewall might be blocking Minecraft's connection. We need to ensure it's allowed on Windows. Search for Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Look for an option to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click that. Then find Minecraft in the list. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked for Java or Bedrock Edition, whichever you're playing. If you use a third-party antivirus with its own firewall, you'll need to check its settings for similar exceptions. A slow or unstable internet connection can also cause these issues. Run an internet speed test. If your speeds are significantly lower than expected, or if the connection is dropping, there might be an issue with your internet service provider. Consider contacting them if the problem persists. Finally, make sure your Minecraft game is up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes have compatibility issues. Check the launcher for any available updates. If you've tried all these steps and are still facing connectivity problems, it might be time to reach out to the server administrator directly or consult Minecraft's official support channels for further assistance.